So last week we were talking about, I gave some introduction, what cryptocurrency is all about, and I tried to explain what makes cryptocurrency special because of the power of blockchain that is decentralized and its transactions are carried out on the blockchain. Cryptocurrency transactions are being recorded on the blockchain. All right, so it is hard, or it is near impossible for transactions to be tampered with. All right, it's not like the normal banking system, and it's like, let's say, oh, we had a failed transaction. It's something that is not obtainable in a decentralized blockchain. All right, in a completely decentralized project. So it's not like our normal banking system where you say, oh, we are having network downtime. In the blockchain, it's different. All right, it's different. So we said a lot of things about things to consider before investing in a cryptocurrency. All right. So we were talking about making maximum profit, and I said things like, okay, you focus on utility. You consider the market cap of a project. And I said something like, the lower the market cap of a project, the higher the profits. All right, the higher the profit. So let's just say, okay, Bitcoin is around 60 something K, I think 64K or so, and its market cap is around how many trillion now? I think I showed us how to use coin market cap, so someone can quickly check and tell me the current market cap of Bitcoin. So let's just say, so for a, the and I said that the actual value of a cryptocurrency is not in its price, but in its market cap. All right, that is here the value actually. So that actually is so that you say that, oh, a cryptocurrency has high value. It's not necessarily because of its price. And I was telling you guys that Bitcoin is considered as the most valued cryptocurrency asset, not because of its price, but because of its market cap. And I told you there was a time that there was a cryptocurrency that was costlier than Bitcoin in price. All right. So then, but obviously, it didn't have more value than Bitcoin because of its price, because we consider the market cap. All right. We can, if you check coin market cap, I think I will share my screen. Uh, if you can see my screen, please indicate. If you can see my screen, please indicate. Can you see my screen? You can unmute and speak, please.
Yeah, I can see it.
All right.
Yeah, I can see it.
All right. So, going to coin market cap, just to buttress what I was saying last week. So, going to coin market cap, this is coin market cap. You are seeing the market cap of Bitcoin is around 1 trillion, right? $1 trillion, and you are seeing that of okay, we are seeing that BNB is around 81 billion, all right, but its price is okay. Look at this thing now. Theta USDT, its price is $1. Price of BNB is $547, but USDT has a higher market cap than BNB. All right. See now, come down to the number 7 and 8. Number 7 is XRP. XRP is $0.4, but Ton is $6. But XRP has a higher market cap than Ton. So what this means is that Ton
So
is
the
able
screen
to.
is dark.
My screen is dark.
Yes, I can't see anything.
Is it just you or is it for everybody?
Yes, we are
Wait,
not okay. We are. It's visible now.
yeah, you're seeing my screen now.
Yes, sir.
So we are seeing it now.
What about now?
We are not
It's
seeing
just
anything.
that screen.
We are not seeing anything now.
What, what's going on with coin market cap now? What about now?
Same thing.
Uh, but you can see now, right?
Yes.
Yes, we can see now.
Okay, let me try the CoinGecko app. Let me see if it works. What about now?
Yes, I can see, sir.
All right, fine. Let's use CoinGecko then, since CoinMarketCap doesn't want to allow us to do what we want to do. So using CoinGecko, but it's just that CoinGecko has quite. I don't think it has exactly the same ranking with CoinMarketCap, but because why I say it doesn't really have the exactly because a coin might be CoinMarketCap works with the coin listed on it, while CoinGecko works with the coin listed on it. So there is a possibility that a coin can be listed on CoinGecko and it's not on CoinMarketCap, and reverse the case. So, but I think they have great similarities. So let's look at uh we're talking about XRP and Ton. So XRP here, the price for it is $0.4, all right, and its market cap is 27 billion. Yes, 27 billion. Then Ton is $6. Its price is $6, and its market cap is of $22 billion. All right. So if you look at it, so what I'm just trying to put is that the price of a cryptocurrency is not exactly equivalent to its value. That the actual value of a cryptocurrency is in its market cap. So if you look at Doge and ADA, that's the same thing. All right, that's the same thing. Just all right. So this is just to buttress this point. So I, we are just talking about how to maximize. So the lower the market cap of a project you invest in, the higher the return. All right, the more profit you make for it, because it is easier for a project to go from 1 million market cap to 10 million market cap. And once a project goes from 1 million market cap to go to 10 million market cap, that's 10x. All right, that is 10x. But from a project to go from 10 million to 10 million market cap to 100 million market cap, it will take more time. You grab it will take more time for it to achieve that 100 million, but it will take lesser time for it to go from 1 million market cap to go to from 1 million market cap to go to 10 million market cap. That same thing goes for a project to go from 100,000 market cap to 1 million market cap. It's the same 10x. It's the same 10x in all of them, but it's faster. The lower the market cap, the faster the profit. All right. Faster per se now is it's easier. All right. It's easier to make a profit, but how easier now in a sense, but it's also riskier. All right. Because that's why when you are new, people, if you are new to cryptocurrency, many educators encourage you to invest in projects that are listed on exchanges, because these are like projects that have been vetted, the team is known, and it's good to buy from reputable exchanges like Binance. Okay, Binance is like the most reputable exchange. All right, I told you guys I don't like MEX because of like there are some scandalous things about them. All right, Binance is good. I personally recommend Gates.io. And one thing about Gates.io is that they also list low market cap projects. All right, I told you something last week was like most projects that get listed on centralized exchanges now, they already have high market cap. So buying them, yes, you make profits and it's safer, in all honesty, to buy them, but you can't make much profit as you buying on chain. Okay, what I mean by buying on chain is buying from the decentralized exchange or buying a coin that has not been listed on a centralized exchange yet. All right. So it's easier you buy projects that are not listed yet. Because when they get listed, some of these projects you see listed on centralized exchanges have already been existing. They just got listed on centralized exchange as a form of marketing to give more visibility to the project. All right. So it's easier to or it is more profitable to buy when the project is still on chain. The market cap is not really high because some projects uh, get listed as low as 100K market cap, 50K market cap, even 20K market cap. It's just that some of these ones that are listed very low don't last. All right. So it's healthy projects, you see them listing at 100K, 200K. Some healthy projects actually list as low as 50K. All right. I think last week I was talking about AI Doge, one of the foremost meme coin on Arbitrum. I think it's listed at 57K and it did millions of market cap. It did millions of market cap. So that's the thing. That is how the mathematics works. So I said I'll be showing us how to use some of these platforms. So which I'll be starting from here. I don't know, this one my screen is just acting up. I don't really know how would it go. God help us. So hope we are following. Hope we are following.
Yes, boss. We are following. Yes, boss. We are following.
All right. All right. Okay. So, Samuel, you are here. Nice to see you. So, okay, I'll be showing us how to use some of this platform, and I'll be talking about. I already showed us actually how CoinGecko works. All right. I don't know what's happening to my Chrome. Why we can't see the screen there. All right. So CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap it's almost like the same. It's the same way they work. It's almost the same thing they do. It's just that they are different listing platforms. So this is where you have list of cryptocurrencies. So this is like where it is graded. In fact, when you are looking for a cryptocurrency to invest in, it's good you search CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to see information, to get information about the project. Maybe someone tells you, oh, buy this. All right, you get a signal somewhere. All right. And one thing I really encourage everyone of us, yes, in coming times we'll be dropping coins to buy, coins to hold, all right, and everything for long term, for short term, things like that. But there was something I really encourage every one of us to do, and that thing is learn how to make research. All right. It's something I didn't really talk about so much last week. Learn how to make research. Learn how to make research. Even if it's, oh, you can in your own check, because people drop coin. They say, and some of us, when we are new to cryptocurrency, we get so enthusiastic about it. You are joining every crypto group you see. People are dropping coin, buy this, buy that. As they are dropping, check, do your own basic analysis. I've told you guys, last week I told you guys things to check out in a project before buying. I mentioned do they have social media platforms? Do they have a website? All right. If the project is still on chain, you can use platforms like Dex Screener and check how many holders do they have. All right, if it's on chain, or you might not even bother going more to that. You can check, okay, these are the people holding the cryptocurrency. This is their utility. What are they doing? What are they contributing? Or is it just a meme project? So if it's just a meme project, that doesn't have any utility, it's kind of riskier. You cut down the kind of money you want to put there because it might not turn out good, all right? So you learn how to do some basic analysis by yourself, all right? So we don't have Cascade where we are coming to train dummies or people that are just zombies. All they say buy, you buy. You can't do anything on your own. You can't make research on your own. That is not the idea. Because if that is the idea, we won't be holding this class. All we just have is a signal group and show you how to buy. Then you start buying and selling. But why I'm able to show you all this tool is so that at least from there you can start checking out projects on your own, carrying out analysis. Or someone tell you, oh, buy this. You check it out. you search it on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. You have a search bar here. You can still see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are saying it. Yes, I
Yeah.
was.
So you search. Let's just say, okay, this .ai. I think that was the project I was talking about. Let's just say, oh, you search .ai. You are seeing the price. You are seeing the contract address. I don't know why they didn't display the market cap rank. I don't know why it's not displayed. You are seeing the price. Market cap. I don't know why it's not displayed. All right. So you are seeing information about it. All right. So there are even some Telegram bots that you can even run some of this. You can do some of this tracking where you can track projects. How do I put it? Like get analytics, on-chain analysis about a project. All right. But even you can do those things on Deck Screener. You can do those things on Deck Screener. I'll also show you Deck Screener. I have it here. Sorry, I didn't add it to the list of apps. I said you should download. So admin, so you can, for people that are still joining, you can repost those groups. All right. So this is where you search for projects. From here now, you are seeing okay the price, some of the information. Then okay, supposed to have okay. You come here. This is charts, price charts. Yeah, this is exchanges. So you are looking at where is this project listed. Okay, it's still on chain, so you can get it on Uniswap. So this is watch list. You add it. Then this is info. So this is like this Telegram. This is the Twitter. This is the website. So this is like you make your research about a project. So this is how you come and search. All right. So it also shows you some of them also display trending projects. Then when you are trying to, maybe you want to check out projects on your own, you want to, maybe you want to check out for newly launched projects that have good use cases. You come to categories, all right? And those projects, obviously, if they are listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, they won't be at the top of the chart because they are still new. All right, now you come to categories now. You are looking at Impossible Launchpad, Cat Team Coins, Storm Meme Coins, ARC 404. These are different categories because this CoinMarketCap, when a project is registering under it, there are different categories. So you choose like, okay, the category your own project falls under. So CoinGecko now, I think CoinMarketCap also has this category feature. So it shows you that, oh, this is the category. So you maybe what is trending now? What part of the thing trending is real world assets? All right, so let's check for it. I don't know. Please, if you guys see it, let me know. Real world assets, real world assets. I don't know. I'm not finding it. I'm not seeing anything related to it. So. Or okay, another thing that is trending is the Ton blockchain, right? So Ton blockchain. So you can also check it out. There are a couple of things. Couple of things. I don't really know. It's just because it's a class, all right. So we can't just start taking our time to make research. I'm just showing you how you can do it. Okay, let's just say AI is trending. You can just click AI agent and check out projects that are AI related. All right, run your analysis. Then, or Solana meme coin is another thing that is showing you. You see, you check out Solana meme coins. All right, this is a lot of it that are being listed. So this one that listed has some criteria that they are serious projects. It's not just the pump and dump projects because they are being listed. All right. So this is just how you check for different categories. Another thing you should pay attention to is, I said something that you should learn how to make some basic research. Another thing is follow updates. All right. Learn how to make research. One of the slogans when you get into crypto, one of the slogans you see is do your own research. Do your own research. It's very, very important. Make your own research. You ask yourself, what is trending, what is the market saying. All right, because the blockchain or the crypto markets works with trend, and anything that is trending at that point is what you should pay attention to. All right, if it's meme that is trending, look for a good meme project with the whole thing I've taught you on how to invest in a project. You look for a meme project, try out one because that's where it's trending. So that is where the market volume is going to. If it's AI that is trending, look for a good AI project, buy. Even if it's going to be a short term, just buy, take profit and go. Because some of these some trends are long trends, some are short trends. All right, some last for 1 month, 2 months, and they are done. Some will run throughout the bull run. So things like the Ton blockchain now, it's a current trend. It's run throughout the bull run. My own spec, this is my own analysis. The Solana blockchain too is going to run throughout the bull run. These are like the part of the trend that will push the bull run. Then real world assets too, we push the bull run. So these are the three main trends. So there are layer 2 projects too, we do well. So that's why, okay, let me start calling names. So that's why you should focus on layer 2 projects. I already said I'll drop some projects you can look into. Look into projects like Arbitrum. All right, look into projects like Arbitrum. You look into projects like Ton. That is a Ton blockchain. Ton blockchain is powered by Telegram. All right, like is a blockchain or cryptocurrency part of Telegram. So Telegram is the app we are using to have this call now. So it's powered by it, and Telegram has a good user base. So it's something you need to pay attention to. All right. They even have the integrated Ton wallet on the Telegram app. If you go to your settings, you see your wallet. It will appear there. So I've mentioned some projects already. There are meme seasons. Obviously, the bull run comes with meme season. There are meme coins that have done well in the past that are retracing that you can buy back to make good profits. Okay, like Pepe. I told a friend to buy Pepe think that was if not last year, or yeah, if not last year, told her to buy Pepe. She already made over 10x from Pepe. So let's say, she put in like $10. The person already has $100 from Pepe. All right. So there are good projects that will follow the trend. So it's another part of thing you should pay attention to. Then another thing you need to pay attention to is diversification of portfolio. All right. I know I told you last week that we'll focus on chain because we're talking about how to maximize profit. But as somebody that is a wise trader, all right, somebody that is wise, hope you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, beautiful. So someone that is a wise crypto investor pays attention to diversification. All right, you don't carry your money and put in one place. So as you are investing in low cap projects, low market cap projects, all right, projects that are maybe 1 million market cap, 10 million market cap, all right, 15 million. These are low cap projects. So we also be investing on mid caps. Mid caps are projects that are like 100 million market cap, 70 million, 30 million, 50 million market cap. Projects like that, they are mid. All right. So they are safe too, because projects like that can do 10x, even 100x. So 100x times if you invested like $10 at the time, it was just maybe, let's say the project was 30 million market cap. So 100x is 5 billion. All right. Sorry, 3 billion. 3 billion market cap. That is 100x of it. Yes, 3 billion market cap. So it's just in times 100 of its initial price when you bought. So, and 3 billion is not so hard to achieve. We are seeing projects that are top projects are around top projects are around, like the top 10 projects are around this one is 22 billion. Others are high and stuff. So this one is 22 billion. So 3 billion shouldn't be so hard to achieve. All right. So these are like the things to pay attention to. Pay attention to trend. I'm already saying a lot tonight already. So just follow up, because if I follow it accordingly, we might not finish up today again and start looking for how to host another class for it. So I already mentioned some projects you should buy. If you're smart, you should have taken note of them already. All right. So um okay, so this is how to use Go and Gecko. So I also said something about Deck Screener. All right, Deck Screener is like another good one is Gecko Terminal is another good. He has an app, he has a website. You can check it out. So this is where you do on-chain analysis. Last week I told you guys of about three different kind of analysis: fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and on-chain analysis. So this is where you do on-chain analysis. So this places pulls up on-chain data. I hope you can see my screen, please.
Yes, sir.
All
I
right.
can see it.
You,
I see it.
so here you click on the menu. So maybe you want to explore projects on these are different blockchains: Solana, Ethereum, BSC, Arbitrum, Base, Optimism, Sui, Phantom. Okay, let's say Ton. You want to check out projects on Ton blockchain, what they are doing. So this is like the prices. Then you scroll. This FDV. It also means market cap. So this is the market cap of this project. All right. So this is how to like check it out and check out project on chain. So you're now saying something about checking out holders of a token. So still on the Ton blockchain. Okay. Well, let's just try Arbitrum. All right. Just explore. So this is like Arbitrum now. So we are looking at these are Arbitrum based projects. All right. So it's just that on chain. All right. This is just how to show you how to use some of these apps, because you might not have to use every of them out now, like um this one. So I just want to show you how to use some basic analysis apps before we go to the exchanges, correct? And bots. That's a lot to cover. All right. So this now let's just assume this. Let me just click on it. So this project now, what's this name? ASCED. All right. So this project, this is the price, market cap 1.8 million. So it has 23 buys, 15 sales. Then you come down here, you are seeing more information about it. So you are seeing this is info. This is like the chart now. Okay. The last transaction was 6 minutes ago. Someone sold $71. So here now, you are seeing both the buys and the sales. All right. It's not hidden. These are the buys and the sales. This is why this is on chain. This is the on chain data of this project. So you are seeing people are buying or people are selling. So here is the transaction. Here you go see top traders. Top traders. You are seeing people that are traded. Okay. This person's profit and loss. Okay. So this person bought with $300 and he already made a profit of and sold at $4,285, made a profit of $3,916. All right. So this is at the top trader. Then holders, over 1,000 people or close to 2,000 people are holding this project. All right, close to 2,000 people are holding this project. So you see the wallets and the amounts they are holding. So they are seeing the wallet. So these are like people holding the top percentage of it. So someone holds up to 14%. This one holds up to 14%. This wallet. So these are wallets holding different percentage of the project. Is that okay? So this is one thing on chain. So some of these things you can open it and explore. You don't have to restrict yourself. But open it and explore. You can reach out when you find something confusing. You can reach out to the community. Then all right. Some of the apps I say we should download. I mentioned Binance. All right. So we'll be looking at how to purchase some token on Binance, because why I gave you options of some exchanges. All right. Why I gave this option of some exchanges is because not every project will be listed on Binance. All right. Not every project will be listed on Binance. Some of them will be on Gates.io and different exchanges, even Mex Exchange, Bybit, and the rest. Because I was looking at the Ton blockchain we are just talking about, and I found out that Ton is not even listed on Binance. All right. So I mentioned project like Pepe. You can buy it on Binance. So let's assume that you want to buy Pepe now, and you funded your account. And if you have issues with funding your account, please reach out to any of our admin. And okay, I think okay, or possibly reach out to Sis. Sammy, drop your username so that they can easily reach out to you when they want to um, maybe fund their account or something. So he's going to drop his username. So you reach out to him. He will help you fund your crypto wallet. All right. So he will help you. So funding your account. Let me start from there. Assuming you have an account and you want to fund it. So I think since most of us are Nigerians, I think we have non-Nigerians here. So but let's start for Nigerians now. So we are for funding of the accounts, we are working with Nigerians for now. So can help you purchase it. But some platform has their P2P, so your country should have a P2P system where you can able to swap your normal fiat to cryptocurrency. That is, if there's no restriction in your country, crypto restriction in your country like the one we have here in Nigeria. So let's just say you want to deposit cryptocurrency and you want to deposit USDT. Okay, I think I have USDT here. So you want to deposit USDT, you have deposit. Alright, you click on deposit. Hope you guys are observing what I'm doing. You click on deposit. So it depends on the blockchain. So when you are making deposit, the blockchain network is very important. It's another very important thing. All right. So don't go and send TRC20 address. This Tron address, yes, it's the same USDT, but Tron address is different from Binance Smart Chain address. Binance Smart Chain address is the same with Ethereum address, but they are different blockchains. And why they are the same is simply because the Binance Smart Chain exists on the EVM. EVM simply means Ethereum virtual machine. So they are a side chain of the EVM. So they use the same blockchain, or how do I say? They use the same virtual machine with the Ethereum blockchain. So they generate the same kind of wallet address. All right. So that is why they are the same. It's the same address, but when you are transferring, there's a difference in the blockchain and in the price, in the gas fee. All right. So Binance Smart Chain charges a very low gas fee rate than Ethereum. When you want to transfer maybe $100 from Binance Smart Chain, you'll be charged less than $1. All right. You will certainly be charged less than $1. But in Ethereum, they might be charging you $20, $25, $30, $15. All right. So it is way cheaper to transfer through the Binance Smart Chain network. All right. Another one that is Polygon. You have one using USDT is because USDT is one of the cryptocurrencies that has multi-chain networks for transaction. So you can transfer through. This is Polygon. This is Avalanche. This is Solana. So these are different blockchain networks. This is Arbitrum. This is Optimism. This is Near Protocol. This is OpenBNB. This is Kava. This is Tezos. This is EOS. This is a Polkadot, and this is a BNB Bitcoin chain. That is BP2. So the Binance project has two transaction network. They have the Binance Smart Chain and they have the Binance Bitcoin chain. So the Binance Bitcoin chain is their native blockchain, while the Binance Smart Chain was the one they integrated from the EVM so that they can bring down gas fee. And because one unique thing about the EVM is that it has smart contracts. It is smart contract integrated. So you can develop dApps, develop other tokens, smart contract adaptability. You can develop dApps, I mean decentralized application. You can develop tokens on the EVM. So since the Binance project have their smart chain branch of it, so they now have their own blockchain network where you can also do the same thing you do on Ethereum, because it is backed up by the same EVM. All right, it's the same EVM that powers the blockchain, that powers Ethereum, that powers the Binance smart chain. I don't know. I'm quite debating. So you select like I said, you use cheap chain networks. Tron charges I think around $1. Binance Smart Chain, especially if you are transferring to Binance. All right. But another thing is be considered, because some exchanges, like I think OKEx, you can't transfer, you can't use a Binance Smart Chain network when transferring to OKEx. So I think TRC20 is one of the central ones. Like even online payments, where you make payments with cryptocurrency, most of them, when you are paying in stablecoin like USDT, they prefer TRC20, that is Tron network. All right. So this will also help people who are looking for jobs. You need to understand this network thing and how it works. All right. So you don't lose your money. You don't go send the wrong address and your money is moving overboard. And you should be able to distinguish. Okay, let me use this opportunity and show you. You should be able to distinguish when someone sends you an address that maybe someone says, oh, someone tells someone, send the Ethereum your Binance matching address, and the person sends Tron address. You should be able to distinguish the difference between a Tron address and a Binance Smart Chain address. A Tron address always starts with a T. All right. A Tron address always starts with a T. It always starts with a T. If you can see my screen, you can see it. I click on the Tron address, deposit address for USDT, like you want to use the Tron network, it starts with a T. Okay, as you can see it, check. Go to any exchange, any platform. You see that the Tron address always starts with a T. So we are still on the deposit. The BNB starts with an OX. Sorry, 0x, not OX. It starts with a 0x. All right. And like I said, it is the same thing with the Ethereum. I think Polygon 2. I think Polygon 2 is EVM based. All right, so they share the same kind of address. Then Avalanche 2 is EVM compatible. All right, so they share the same address. Then another one that has a different blockchain. All right, now Solana, for instance, see, Solana has a different address. Solana starts with B, but please, not every Solana address starts with a B. All right, before you get that only works in Tron. All right, Tron. Just check. All right, check either other exchanges. Even check your own address. So if you've created some of your wallets, or maybe you have a trust wallet, I'll show you this thing now. So not every address starts for Solana. Solana is dynamic, and an address can be anyhow. All right, it doesn't have a constant pattern like TRC20 and TRC20 and the EVM compatible blockchains. So Arbitrum is is a layer 2 project. Optimism is also a layer 2 project. That is layer 2, Ethereum layer 2 projects. They are existing on the Ethereum blockchain. Then Near Protocol, you see, Near Protocol Near Protocol has a very weird, different kind of address. So you see that all these addresses are not really exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. So because you are learned, you learned how crypto works, you learn what blockchains are about. So you are able to distinguish, like the most common one now. This Near, they are not really common. The very common ones are the TRC20, the BP20. So when someone says, "Oh, send TRC20," your maybe USDT TRC20 network, all right. So when you see an address and it is not TRC20, you should be able to indicate that, oh, this address is not TRC20. It looks like an Ethereum or EVM support EVM compatible network address. EVM compatible networks are networks like Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Optimism, all these projects that are EVM compatible, all these blockchains that are EVM, Polygon. All right. So you should be able to see an address and be like, oh, this address is not really, it's not Ethereum, or this address is not Tron, or this address is not Polygon. Sorry, this address is not a Solana address. All right. So you should be able to distinguish this thing because you have seen it now. So you should be able to take note of this so that you don't lose money. You don't lose money. So you don't lose money. So this is how to simply make deposits. So you just come here. Maybe the person that wants to send you crypto, say, oh, send your Tron address or TRC20. Tron and TRC20, they are talking about the same thing. BNB Smart Chain and BP20 are talking about the same thing. Ethereum and ERC20 is the same thing. All right. So it's just a slogan. So someone says, oh, send your Tron address. You come here, copy. You copy the address. All right. When you copy, you go to the person's chat or wherever you are having that conversation, then send it. All right. So for withdrawal is an inverse what do you call it? An inverse process. So you see send via crypto network. All right. So this is send via crypto network. So let's just say you want to send crypto to someone, because deposit means you want to deposit to this wallet. Withdrawal means you want to send out of this wallet or exchange. So once you click on withdrawal, is that you want to remove money from this exchange. So that you want to send it to another exchange, another wallet. So maybe someone sends you maybe the person's BP20 address. All right. So you come to withdraw and click on select network. All right. So you remember I copied my Tron address USDT, then I paste it here. Are you seeing? So this is a Tron address. So I have to select Tron, because if you select another blockchain, your money will disappear. It's a promise. So as you have put in the Tron address, please make sure they say that place you have network. Select Tron. Don't go select another thing. Assuming now, let me select Solana now. You see, Solana, they are not even giving me any warning that, oh, it's not this thing. It's not this address is not Solana address. So you have to be really careful. All right. So these ones are highlighted because the app automatically helps you to figure out that you cannot this is not like an EVM based address. You understand? So, but Tron address sometimes Solana address can sometimes look like Tron address. That a Solana address can sometimes start with a T. So it's something you really have to be careful. All right, it's something you really have to be careful, and you have to cross check properly so that people's money don't miss. So you see that. So if I run a transaction now, the money won't get to this wallet because this is a Tron address, but this is a Tron network address, but I'm using Solana network to run the transaction. So the money can never get to the owner of this address that I put here. Please be careful. Crypto is good though, but people lose money every day because of silly mistakes like this. So basically I've talked about deposits. And so we have the wallet side, how you deposit, how you withdraw. So this is the home. Okay. You also have deposit option here. Then markets. So these markets, maybe you want to search for a project. So maybe we drop a signal, say, oh, this project is trading on Binance. So we say, oh, buy EGLD. It's another, this is another project that this is another project that I am big on. So it's good to pay attention to it. If you are still waiting for me to start to be dropping another signal, I'm sorry, because I've mentioned couples of projects already. So you should be taking notes so that you don't miss out. So EGLD now. So let us say, oh, they say buy EGLD. You come, type it. So you have EGLD in your wallet. You click on EGLD USDT. So this is the chart, what the chart looks like. Then you have to buy. You click on buy. So buy. When you want to buy, there are different options to buy. You have limits, you have market, you have stop limits, you have trailing stop, you have OCO, you have algo order. I won't bore you with all this. But now, uh, the most important one to us now is market. All right. So anytime I tell you to buy, I'm expecting you to buy immediately. All right. I'm expecting you to buy immediately. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I'm expecting you to buy immediately. So you buy with market order. Selecting market is that you are buying this token at the current market price. This is what it simply means. But limit now is that market and limit are mostly the ones used often. Then limit is that there's a particular price you want to purchase this crypto at. Maybe let's say that limit that this project now is trading at this price, but maybe you want to where you want to project this project is around, maybe when it comes down to $30. Maybe this project is currently trading at $40.42. Then, but you want to buy it when it comes at $30. Then you select 2. All right. So this simply means this does the math. 30 times 2 is 60. So you spend USDT to purchase 2 of these tokens when it comes down to $30. So let me just show you how the limit order works. Then I click on buy. Your order price is more than 5% away from the latest price market. Do you want to continue? I say yes. You see, the thing automatically shows here. This transaction has not been carried out. So when this transaction will execute is when the price of this EGLD comes down to $30. So till it comes down to $30, the trade won't trigger. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Till it comes down to $30, the trade won't trigger. So, we'll postpone this class because it's almost 1 hour. So the trade won't trigger. Let me try and round up in the next 5 minutes. All right. So the trade won't trigger. That is how limits works. So let's cancel this because obviously I don't want to do that. But market now is that you are saying you don't have an option where you put the price you want it to buy at. It's already highlighted market price. So any price you put here, maybe you want to use $50. Sorry, excuse me. You want to use $50 and buy. Automatically buys you into the market. All right. So sell works the same way as buy. It's just that now you have the token, then you want to sell to USDT. All right. Let's say it means you already bought that coin, then you want to sell it back to USDT or any other stable coin that is compatible on the exchange. So this is simply how to buy and sell, and you have to check on project. And the thing is that most projects, all right, most projects are not projects now. Most exchanges, all right, most exchanges have similar, like they have similar UI, they have similar interface. All right, let's this was Binance I showed you. Let me show you Gates.io, another centralized exchange. You see that it has similar lookout, it has similar layouts. Excuse me, I'm in the P2P section of this. Hold on please for me, guys. You can still see my screen, right? Please, anytime you stop seeing my screen, let me know. Let's know that we are together. So this is my Gates.io account. All right. So this is the wallet section. You see the spot wallet. The same process. Deposit and withdrawal. On-chain deposit. On-chain withdrawal. So on-chain is the deposit and withdrawal method we use. So you see trades. Here, trades. You come. You are on spot trade. On a very good day, I'll explain how the whole interface of Binance works. But the ones I told you now is the most important one you need. You are on spot trading. Please don't go on Binance. Don't go to future trading. Remain on spot, please. Don't go where I did not send you, unless you want to lose your money. So now you come on, you're on spot. Then maybe you search for okay, I have Ton is listed here. You search for Ton USDT. All right. So you see that same interface, buy, limits. You have limit, markets. All right, different exchanges have their name. So, but you have main focused on limit and market. So here you select market. Then you select how many USDT you want to buy. Maybe oh, I want to buy with 2 USDT and everything. All right. So, but one thing with exchanges is that they have a minimum buy amount. I think some of them you cannot buy with anything less than $10. I think that's Binance too. If you have anything less than $10, you cannot buy into any trade. Then it's been long I purchased on Binance, but I think that rule still stands. So this is how this interface works. So you see that it's quite the same thing with how Binance works. All right. So even the deposit and withdrawal process is the same thing with how Binance works. So so because of our time, I will take 2 questions. Okay, I'll take 2 questions. So we'll call it a wrap tonight. Then next week we'll be moving to the part 3. The next week I'll be showing us. Today I was able to show us how to use some analytics tool like the CoinGecko. I don't know. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap is the same interface they have. They work the same way. So I'm able to show you CoinGecko. Then able to show you about Deck Screener for on-chain, just for you to be aware of. There's an app like that and how it works. All right. Then I'll be able to show you how to centralize exchanges, how to carry out a trade on it. All right. So by next week we will be saying some other things concerning how to purchase tokens that are not listed on centralized exchanges yet. Is that okay? Then I'll be showing you the Trust Wallet interface and some other network-based wallets like Solana-based wallets like Phantom and even the Ton blockchain have some of these. Then I'll explain a little bit about wallets to you, all right, and how they work and how to use them. So that's what we'll be covering up for next week, all right. So, and I'll be showing you how to buy tokens from there too. Then I already mentioned some tokens that are good for purchase, but I'll be giving a comprehensive list. All right, so that I'll drop in tokens, their names, their ticker, and where you can buy them from. All right, because by that time I've already shown you you can now be able to purchase token by yourself. And I said if you have any issues with buying token, you reach out, all right, to any of the admin, and we'll help you buy maybe USDT. Okay. So that's it. So any questions, please? If you have a question, please quickly ask. If you have any question, we spent time already. If you have any question, please quickly drop your ask. Does anyone have any question? Does anyone have any question? All right. Does anyone have any question? Please, if you followed everything I did tonight and you understood it, please drop an emoji in the community. Sorry, I had a lot to say. That's why I didn't take post it at some point. All right. I didn't take post it at some point. So please, if you followed up everything we did tonight, please drop an emoji in the community, sticker or something. All right. Drop an emoji to be sure that we all follow. All right, cool. So next week we'll be going to the decentralized part of it. Like we'll be talking about how to purchase tokens that are not listed on centralized exchanges. I already gave some samples like Binance and Gate.io. So I'll be showing you about decentralized wallets, bots. Okay, there are some bots I told you guys to sign up for. So I'll be showing you how to use them by next week and how to purchase some of these low cap or low market cap projects. All right. So thank you everyone for joining tonight, and I hope we learned something. So if you learned something, I would like you to share in the community what you learned from tonight's class. All right. And yeah, I want to share in the community what you learned from there. I want everybody, if you're on this call and this class was really helpful to you, please, I'd like you to share one thing or two that you learned, okay? So that people can know that, oh yeah, you are really getting value. And don't forget to talk about Cascade. Don't forget to tell someone about Cascade. So if you are new, Cascade is a platform where we learn about blockchain and cryptocurrency, like we just did tonight. So we hold our classes every Monday by 8 p.m. and every Thursday by 8 p.m. is our quiz section. And this Thursday we'll be having an AMA section. All right, this Thursday it's going to be different Thursday. We'll be having an AMA section, so we'll be having the near African gamers, and there'll be a giveaway, a $50 giveaway. So don't miss. All right, there'll be a $50 giveaway. So don't miss it on Thursday by 8 p.m. All right, on Thursday by 8 p.m. Don't miss it at all. There'll be a $50 giveaway where we'll be rewarding people that participated in the AMA section. So set your reminder. Don't miss it at all. Don't miss it for anything. All right. So and then on Saturday is our games. On Saturday is our game. Come play game, have fun. So yeah. So thank you guys for joining once again. And if you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the group chat. And don't forget to drop what you learned too from tonight's class. Thank you once again and have a good night. Bye guys.